Exposing the secret to a cooler Redmi Note 14 Pro. You'll never struggle with overheating again after this. First, identify the overheating trigger. Is it gaming, charging, or that one app you can't quit? Next, tackle software issues. Close those background apps and ensure your software is up to date. Also, do a quick malware scan. Hardware might be the culprit too. Remove that bulky case and avoid direct sunlight. And hey, keep your phone cool by minimizing heavy use in hot environments. Now, optimize settings, lower screen brightness, limit high-performance mode, and turn off unnecessary features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Still overheating? Consider a factory reset, but don't forget to back up your data first. If none of this works, it's time to contact Xiaomi support for professional help. Remember, a cooling pad can be your phone's best friend and avoid charging in direct sunlight. Follow these tips and keep your Redmi Note 14 Pro chill. Thanks for watching.